I want you to imagine 3 kids, okay, and their behaviors. Okay, 4 kids. I gave you 4 examples. Let's make it 4 kids, okay? Kulezi ingane, one of them is you, all right? Now, nansi ingane, all right? Le ngane ihamba noma wayo, iyakuthemba wena uma wayo, iya esikoleni, okay? Iyakuthemba, iyakuthanda. Khumbula ukuthi ingane, whenever it goes into any foreign environment, it depends on when, as the parent, it looks at you. If am I safe? Can I trust this person? Ngoba ithemba wena as umzali, then izothemba whatever situation that you put it in, all right? But if ingakuthembi also ngeke izithembe the situation then you put it in. So imagine nansi ingane uyise crash, all right? Mufike crash, first thing izoqala ixwaye ukuthi hey, I'm in a foreign environment, who's this? Lotisha oza kumina, etc. But if ebona ukuthi uma uxoxa kahle nalo muntu, mom is comfortable because I trust mom, mase le ngane siyavuma ukuthi uthisha ayithathe. Uthisha ayibonisa i-toys, nali toys baby, nali pen, you know, mase ingane iyavuma idlale nepeni, hawu nanko siyaqhubeka iyadlala isiqhubeka nomunye umuntu. So now it was attached to uma, but easily it can then attach to someone else. Okay? That is one child. That child is I would call it secure. Ngoba leyo ngane yazi ukuthi noma umama engekho eduze, I know I'm loved. I know I belong. I'm loved. I mean, I'm secure. Just because angimbona uma wami eduze, it doesn't mean ukuthi my world is falling apart. That's a secure child. Okay?